Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide I'll show you how to create a Gmail account without a telephone number. Let's get straight into it. To create a Gmail account without a telephone number, we need to create a new Google account. This is because your Gmail account is part of your Google account. Don't worry though, we can still create this without a telephone number. I'll start by navigating to the Google account sign up page. The location of this page is a bit long to remember, but I've added it to the description below so you can click on that to go straight to this page. There are a number of steps to set up a Google account, but it shouldn't take any more than 2 minutes to complete. We'll start by entering a first name and a last name for the Google account. I'm going to use mine as a contact account for Woggle Guides, so I'll call it Contact Woggle. Next, you need to add the username for your Google account that will make up the first half of your email address. I'll call mine contact.woggle, so my full address will be contact.woggle@gmail.com. You may find that the username you've chosen is already taken. Your username must be unique to you, so try mixing it up until you find a username that's free by adding numbers, different spellings, or special characters. Once you have a unique username, then you need to provide a strong password. Google recommends that your password is at least 8 letters long and has a mix of A to Z letters, numbers, and symbols, like a $sign or an exclamation mark. Once you're happy with all the information provided, click on the blue Next button to move to the next page. On this page, you are asked for some additional pieces of information. The first of these is a telephone number. However, you'll see that in very small writing, this is an optional piece of information, so you can leave it blank. We'll choose to do that. The next row also asks you to provide a recovery email address. This allows you to access your account if you forget your password. However, this is also an optional piece of information, so you can choose not to provide this. Bear in mind, however, that if you forget your password, it will be very difficult to get back into this email account. Having said that, I'll choose to leave it blank for this demonstration. 2 final pieces of information are then asked for on this page: your date of birth and your gender. I'll quickly add these details for my email account. Once you're happy with the details provided, click on the large blue Next button to move to the next stage of the process. Google now asks you if you want to follow the express setup route or the manual setup process. All your settings can be changed at any time on your Google account page, so I'm going to choose the express setup option. I'll click the Next button to confirm that choice. That's all the hard work required for a Google account setup. We do need to confirm 2 more things, however. Firstly, on this page, you need to confirm the personalization settings and cookie use for your Google account. To do that, scroll to the bottom of this page and click the Confirm button. And on this last page, you are asked to agree to Google's terms of service and privacy policy. To do that, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the blue I agree button. Once you've done that, the page reloads and you're taken to your Google My Account page. This page is a central hub for all the Google products you now have access to, but the one we're interested in is Gmail. To quickly access that, you'll see the Google Apps box is already open. Let's click on the Gmail icon in the list of available apps. The page then reloads and we're taken to our Gmail account. As this is the first time we've accessed this account, you're asked to confirm whether you want to turn on Google's smart features and whether you'll allow Google Apps to share information to help personalize your experience. I'll choose to turn on both, but if you're unsure, you can choose not to. Both these features can be switched on at any time in your Google account settings. As I've made some changes, Gmail reloads again to apply these. If I now click into my Google account details, you'll see the new email address we have created is shown, and the email account is now fully set up and ready for use. I hope you found this Woggle guide useful and learned something new. If you have, please like or subscribe so that other users can find it too. Thanks for watching.